In this short video, we will be introduced with best 8 quantum programming languages for 2023 and beyond. Quantum computing is revolutionizing industries and requires robust programming languages. Number 1, KCIT is an open-source language developed by IBM for creating and testing quantum algorithms. Number 2, Circ, created by Google, allows programming quantum computers using Python. Number 3, Quipper focuses on circuit-based quantum computing and is gaining popularity. Number 4, Q#, is Microsoft's dedicated language for quantum programming, integrated with Visual Studio. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO. Number 5, Circ prioritizes code safety and reliability, with a unique syntax and type system. Number 6, Project Q is a versatile framework supporting multiple languages and offering optimization techniques. Number 7, QCL is a versatile language suitable for beginners and experts in the field. Number 8, Quipper Script is a variant of Quipper designed to work with Haskell.